Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now today I'm going to get the gold analysis with the FOMC meeting in this week, Federal Reserve American Central Bank interest rate decision in this week. So how to trade with the Fed fund rate. So Forex factories they are 31st January, that's the 5.5 is the current rate. Fed American Central Bank forecast to post the rate on 5.5. So join now, my Telegram link is below. Get the accurate gold analysis with signals in VIP group and join with and get the more profit with the gold trading. So link is below. So you can this trend line price has reacted several times. I am in 4 hour chart gold. That is the important level. This trend line. So and again the important zone in this resistance level price reacted several times to this zone, that is the 2035 to 2040 zone. So most important zones you should remember what zones price reacted most times. So that is the 2035 zone price resistance, strong resistance is there. So again is the level resistance level is the 2050 level. So that is the good resistance zone in 2050 level. So you also touch with this level. So how to trade with the Fed interest rate FOMC press conference in this week, that is the 2050 zone. That is the technically this is the most important zones for price reacted several times. So I am going to the Fed Watch Tool website. This song is also 2060 zone. It is also good resistance on technically analysis. So I am going to Fed Watch Tool website. You can see January 31st FOMC meeting 97.9%, almost 100% price into the rate post. So market already price in rate post on Fed this meeting 5.5 is the rate, that is the rate forecast is 5.5 already priced into the market. So Fed 5.5 hold the rate in this meeting, dollar not demand because of already that it is priced into the market. So dollar not demand. So I am hoping with the interest rate decision post 5.5 gold demand to the upside. So that is my analysis this Fed interest rate decision. So I am hoping gold demand to 2040 50 levels. So these resistance zones to reacted to upside because of 5.5 rate post is already priced into the market. It is already priced in and not dollar demand and the gold demand to the upside. So that is my first reaction with the first Fed interest rate release 5.5 first in this week. So again the FOMC Fed conference is the most important things. So FOMC Fed conference Fed will be hawkish with the hawkish tone. American Central Bank chairperson Powell will be hawkish with the comments. So I am hoping that is the dollar demand. So that is Fed conference, media conference is the key events that will be hawkish Fed dollar demand, and that is the gold drop to the below side. So that is my analysis with the Fed interest rate decision. So 2000 can be reached to drop the price. That the fresh conference hawkish with the Fed, that is the dollar demand and can be dropped to the gold price 2010 2000 level. So that is the my analysis with the Fed interest rate decisions. You can join with my Telegram link for accurate analysis course. So thank you very much.